We are gathered here today to discuss the results of the LAPD, the LA Regional Human Trafficking Task Force that was named Operation Reclaim and Rebuild.
California is one of the largest sites of human trafficking in our country, with Los Angeles still a hotbed of activity, where now criminal street gangs have gotten involved because it has become more lucrative than trafficking weapons and drugs.
This is only during this week. These are still operations that take place 365 days out of the year as well. But of these arrests, you'll see that we had 450 arrests. Of those arrests, 399 were misdemeanors and 51 were felonies. The rescues during this week, we rescued 39 different people. 39. 13 of those were juveniles and 26 of those were adults.
Law enforcement agencies like the Los Angeles Police Department, Los Angeles County Sheriff's Department are key players in helping to identify and report potential trafficking victims and trafficking activities, and they gladly take on this responsibility on top of everything else that they do to strive to protect and serve the residents of Los Angeles.
En realidad, lo primero que tenemos que hacer es establecer una relación, porque estos menores, estas menores, vamos a hablar de las niñas, han sido convencidas que los trabajadores sociales, que las policías, que nadie los quiere, que nadie los va a proteger.
One of the most important things that we know works for children that do recover is patience, diligence, and the ability to be there consistently for them. Building trust and building that rapport with them is the catalyst for change. So if they suspect or know of a child that's been a victim of commercial sexual exploitation, they should immediately call the Child Protection Hotline at 1-800-540-4000, or they may call 911 to report the exploitation.